Hi everyone, welcome back to Magnifica Core Craft YouTube channel. We are working on another project and this one is called alternating half each knot. You can see it here. It's a macrame pattern that is very good for bracelets. You can use it for bracelets, for the hand of a bag, and many other projects in macrame. Now I want to show you how to start. The first thing you are going to do, it depends on the size, but for this project I'm taking 2 ropes. You are going to tie it this way, then you hold it to a board with your clip. Now hold it in place like this. I have my 2 ropes here. You are going to have, each of them will be a lead cord. So I'm going to take this, I'll do it this way, bring it up, then this one this way, pull it, you continue this way and this way. That's why we call it alternating. So this way, you can see that we are getting our design as you are going. It's a very nice design. See it. We are alternating right, left. Now we've come to the end of the pattern. It's a very beautiful one. Like our video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in our next video.